Hello everybody, this is Rochelle of the Rochelle brand, and today I'm going to tell you how I make my perfect hair essential oil. So this is what the mixture looks like, and in this bottle I have olive oil, castor oil, almond oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, aloe vera oil, grapeseed oil, rosemary oil, argan oil, hemp oil, moringa oil, peppermint oil, lavender oil, fenugreek oil, tea tree oil, vitamin E oil, lemongrass oil, flaxseed oil, neem oil, emu oil, eucalyptus oil, and biotin oil. And as you can see, I have anise in it as well as cinnamon sticks. And so I let it marinate for a few days, and then after that I use this little device to add all my essential oils, as I said, like the peppermint oil and what's another one, fenugreek oil and such. So what I do after that, I love this jar. I know this may be a tedious process for many, but I love to do it this way. I hold the strainer over this bottle, and let me get a good grip of this, and I try to pour it directly in the center, and I strain the oil out. Try to do it so that it don't overflow. I set it aside and get my little bottle. This is my own personal one that I had used already, so you can see that I already had some oil in here. And I put my little cylinder thingy in it, and I hold it, and I hope you can see, and I pour the oil in. And I try to be careful not to let it overflow. I let it flow anyway. But as you can see, let me get my dish rag. And I put the top on it. The label is already on it because, like I said, this is my personal bottle and I used it before. And this is how I make my famous perfect hair essential oil. You see how fast? And it has other benefits. garlic oil, and some other ingredients. But that's my secret, so I can't let you guys know every single thing. But I hope you enjoyed watching my little video, and I hope you appreciate all the efforts I put into making my products for your hair growth, and I hope you have faith in me and know that my products do work and it does help hair growth, damage control, split ends, let's see, dandruff on the scalp, psoriasis, and other conditions that you may have. So once again, thank you for watching my video. Check out my new shirt. They're not for sale, it's for me to advertise when I go out and sell my products. Sometimes I go door to door as well. And thank you so much. Have a great day.